Hello, and welcome to one of the most sought-after student accommodations in Leeds. Introducing Triangle at Icon Inc. Located just a stone's throw away from Leeds City Centre, Triangle at Icon Inc. offers spacious 5- and 6-bedroom apartments that are perfect for you and your friends. Wake up to breathtaking views from your window and get down to business in your personal study area. Pamper yourself in the privacy of your own bathroom, complete with a hot water bath and built-in wardrobes for your daily outfit choices. Need a break? Whip up a gourmet meal in the shared fully fitted kitchen or chill out in the comfy living room. The choice is yours. Want to work up a sweat? Head to the fully equipped on-site gym or challenge your mates to a game of table tennis. And if you're feeling like a movie night, the private cinema room is the perfect place to complete your wish list. With Leeds City College and the University of Leeds just a short 5-minute drive away, you'll never have to rush to class again. And when it comes to dining out, you're spoilt for choice. Get your drink on with chic interiors at the Good Luck Pub or head over to Manjaro's restaurant for a mouth-watering meal. Life is too short for boring student living. Book your stay at Triangle at Icon Inc. with amberstudent.com and get ready to live life to the fullest.